You weren't even born when the Pompadour was invented, but you were definitely born to rock it. First, blow dry your hair with your free hand stroking your hair backwards. Part your hair, then blow dry upwards with a brush to get the volume you desire. Time to go classic with our modern-day pomade. Scrape out about this much with the back of your fingertips. Spread it evenly on your palms. Lightly apply it on your hair evenly backwards. Style with a larger bristled comb to add texture. Let others hashtag throwback while you own a proper throwback.
Bro, tie? Yes or no? Nah. Okay.
Pomade for Pompadour. Easy rinse, perfect hold, style memory.